I'm back, and today we're gonna do a dinghy tutorial. If you don't know what's a dinghy, it's a boat. It's a small passenger boat. So let's get started. First of all, we're gonna do 2 times wedges, 2 times upside down. Then we're gonna do a triangle wedge 2 in the wedge 2 section. Put one here and one here. Then another wedge 2 here. We're gonna put on a block here. Then we go to cylinders, click cylinder, do it here. And then when I go to half wedge down, put the glass, go to materials, do it here. Then we're about to do a 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 wedges. Gonna do a 1, 2, 3, 4. Another 4 on the other side. The 4 here, and then we're gonna grab a ballast beam, put it here, then a ballast block over here. And then here, we're gonna grab the wedges, triangle wedge, make it this way here. Then we're gonna get water propellers 2, facing this way. Then here, we're gonna fillets. We're gonna do a 4 cylinders here, 3 cylinders over here, 3 cylinders. Actually 4 cylinders. Then we're gonna grab a triangle wedge, put it here. And then from here, we're gonna go here. For this part, we're gonna fill it with 2 blocks. Actually here, we're gonna put a wedge here. Then we'll put 2 blocks here. Then we're gonna get a half wedge from over here. Then put a half wedge down. We're gonna put you can put the seating placements anyhow. Gonna put one here. Gonna put one there. Gonna do this for the dinghy. Then down here, what you wanna do is get control surface number 2 and put it under. Then for this one, we're gonna do DA. Then the other side is gonna be AD. then you're good to go. So thank you for watching, everybody, and have a good day. Bye.